Welcome to the installation guide for Release Tracker. Follow these steps to add Release Tracker into your Azure DevOps organization. The first step to setting up Release Tracker is to install the extension into your organization. The extension can be installed from the Azure DevOps Marketplace. To access the Marketplace from Azure DevOps, click the shopping bag icon in the upper right corner and select Browse Marketplace. Once the Marketplace page loads, type Release Tracker into the search bar and click the search button. Locate the extension labeled Release Tracker by Code Vanguard and click on it. Click Get. Choose the organization that you want to install the tool to, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Proceed to Organization to return to Azure DevOps. Once back at your organization, select the project where you want to enable Release Tracker. In the upper right-hand corner, click the User Settings button, which looks like a user with a gear. Choose Preview Features from the menu. Use the drop-down at the top to select For This Project. Locate Release Tracker in the list of features and toggle it on. A warning will appear, noting that this change will apply to all users in the project. Click Turn On to confirm. Close the Preview Features pane. Once enabled, you'll notice the Release Tracker icon added to the menu on the left side of your screen. This confirms the extension is successfully installed and ready for configuration.